So to start off, what is private mortgage insurance? In simple terms, all it is insurance that the mortgage company makes you take out. They require it because instead of making you pay 20% down payment, you're allowed to pay a 5% down payment. And because of that, there's more risk involved to the lender. So they require insurance. It's called private mortgage insurance, or PMI, that just covers that little added risk for having less money for a down payment. So let me give you a little example. It's kind of a real life example. I'm going to try to remember the numbers. They might be off a little bit, but it's close. Recently I just did a loan for someone. The purchase price was right around 150 or so. They were putting 5% down, which was like around 7,200, somewhere in there. Well, they were asking me, and I always like to give options. They were asking me about, well, why don't I put 20% down and not have private mortgage insurance? I said, you can do what you want, but now I'm going to need, it was almost 30. It's almost 30 grand. 20% of the sales price was almost 30 grand. So instead of 30 grand, instead of like 7 grand or 7,200, something like that, instead of that, they were going to have to put down almost $30,000. It was like 28 or something. So the difference was right around $2,100. And their private mortgage insurance, the payment on that, the extra payment per month for that insurance was $80, $85, somewhere in there. So the moral of the story, it was going to take them right around 21 years or something just to break even from not paying PMI, just for the extra money that they would need down, the extra $21,000 or whatever. They were going to save $80 a month and not get into this house. That was the big deal, the private mortgage insurance. So I don't know, needless to say, they went with the 5% down and got the private mortgage insurance, and now they're in their home and they're enjoying all the appreciation and tax benefits and all the other, just the freedom that comes along with owning your own home. So anyway, thought I'd stop. My point is stop stepping over dollars to pick up pennies. Yeah, you can save a little bit of interest. You can save a little bit on your monthly payment. You can not pay PMI. I get it. I totally get it. And you do want to pay it off as soon as you can. Oh, by the way, once you get, unless you're FHA, once you get down to only owing 80% of what your home's value is, you have a 20% equity, it drops anyway. The PMI drops automatically, or you can write in and say, I think I'm getting close, can we drop it? And most time lenders will. So anyway, that's my rant for the day. Hope you like it. Hope it makes sense. If not, I don't know what to tell you. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.